Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to print and save as PDF on Samsung Internet Browser. Open any web page that you desire. For example, let me open Browser How and open this page. And if I want to read this page in offline mode, or if I want to save it as a PDF and share with someone else, what I can do is I can just go tap on this 3-bar options, and at the bottom you can see there is an option called as print and PDF. Just tap on it, and from the drop down here at the top you can select save as PDF, and there are different customization options here. For example, the copies, that is obviously it will be 1, and the paper size, orientation, and the color, and how many pages, or whether it will be 2-side or all those stuff. Based on your customization, the print will automatically be, the preview of the print will be automatically changed. For example, let's say I selected it to landscape mode, then the print preview will be changed to landscape mode. So based on your selection, the print preview will appear, and then what you can do is you can just tap on this PDF icon command, and it will just open the local disk where you can edit the name of the PDF file and choose the location where you exactly want to save the PDF file. So once it is done, you can just tap on the save command and the PDF file will be saved. So that is one thing, and the next thing is that you need to open the PDF file that is being saved. So for that, the Samsung browser doesn't have a built-in PDF reader. So what you can do is you can just go to Google Play Store, and in the Play Store you can search for any PDF reader, say suppose Acrobat Reader, and you can install that particular app, and then you can use or open that PDF file. Even the Android system has the built-in PDF reader, the Google PDF reader. You can use that as well. So yeah, that's all in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.